What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Link in the description for merchandise, www.tucktheworld.com. Make sure you guys hit the link on the merchandise so that way you guys can check out the banners, the t-shirts, and everything else. Today we are washing vehicles, you guys, so you guys will be able to see the Hi Civic, Eclipse, Lambo, Supra, all of them. Let's get it. All right, guys, first one on the list is a tow rig. This is the one that we use to go pick up all the vehicles. This is the 3500 Super Duty. We're gonna go ahead, clean everything in it, and wash it. All right, guys, 95 Hi Civic. Everything has been completely redone. You guys can check the older videos. We did the engine swap, rebuilt and did a whole bunch of stuff on the engine, painted the engine bay, body kit, body work. This thing has just been sitting over there collecting dust. Still got a wet sand and buff it. We're gonna wash it right now, clean the interior a little bit, wash the engine bay, and get on to the next one. All right, guys, next up, 1996 GSX Eclipse. guys, next Lamborghini Huracan.
Get it up, get it up. Smoke weed like a rock, smoke weed like a rock.